Hi, to activate Raise to Wake feature on the Redmi Note 14, all you have to do is find and open the Settings app, and from here scroll down and then tap on Lock Screen. Now you can see this feature Raise to Wake. So if you wanna activate it, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue and it would be activated. So now let's test it. Basically, we'll need to lock the phone, then raise it to wake it up. And yes, it's working. Let's try this out again. So yeah, everything is working just fine. And also, in the same setting, you can find this cool feature as well, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So we can double tap it to wake or double tap to lock. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.